Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, 2014. It's now 2:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were all down today, but well off of their lows. The S&P closed down. Price remains in the long-term uptrend channel. Though the S&P is still bullish, we may have a short-term downtrend channel forming. This is seen by the red dashed lines. Support is at 1891 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1992. The NASDAQ also closed down. Price may now be in a short-term downtrend channel. Support is at 37.37. The US dollar closed up again. Price is continuing to consolidate under the recent high of 21.75. Resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval, and support is at 21.24. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, August 12th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis on our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are two strong currencies and two weak currencies. The qualified pairs are Euro Yen, the New Zealand Dollar Yen, the Euro US Dollar, and the New Zealand US Dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for August. For open trades, there are presently no open trades. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today, and the reasons why will be discussed as we review the price charts. Let's look at the price charts for our four qualified pairs. The first is the Euro Yen. This has been in a long-term downtrend channel. We would be looking at a bearish trade. At the present time, our entry would be over 100 pips away from the current price. The second pair is the New Zealand Dollar Yen. This has been in a sideways channel. We would be looking at a bearish trade. For this pair, our entry price would be over 100 pips away from the stop loss. The third pair is the Euro US Dollar. This has been in a medium-term downtrend channel. We'd be looking at a bearish trade. The difficulty with this pair is the stochastic is well below 20. And this would be a point where we might see the stochastic start going up. Our last pair is the New Zealand US Dollar. This pair has been moving in a sideways channel. Presently it's at the bottom of the channel. The entry would be a bearish entry. However, again with the previous pair, we find the stochastics below 20. And this is usually indication that we may see price going back up. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.